Okay, my friend, you can see this place is 2L1. This place is 2L12. From here to here, this is place. Okay, got it. This is conduct this black from here to here. You can see this place have 220 L. Okay, this place 220 L. Like that. This place is 220 L. Take careful. That place is 220 N. Hey, this place is P8. That place is P8 too. Like that. From here to here. There's P elective, that together is P elective too. Okay? Valid, correct. This place is DA8. You can see. Right to here and make it next to STA negative. That's negative. Space D negative from here to here. There is enable aid. You can find check it here. They have 220 L too. Then this place they have 220 L. Just this is the power. This computer, this is computer too. No matter whatever, just to choose one, select it, it's okay. This place is stop. Let's stop. Here. We have 220 H. You save. 220 okay. Bye. can see. Also, we need to know this is Y1, this is Y2, this is X, Z. And after that, you can find in this place, just say iron line, we will give it Y2. Y1, you just to find it and select it, it's okay, Y1, okay? Okay, this is Y19. You can see U, V, W. Okay, this first is U, second is V, third is W. You can see after this place, is background have U, W place. Just follow it. Okay, connect. It's same, and you can see this PE. No matter this place or this place, just connector. Have a just do it. Okay, second, this is Y2. Same way, finder, okay, very lucky. This is Y2, collector. It's okay. Y2. That's same. U, V, W. Okay. And the PE, this place, same. Close it and make sure it's very close. Okay, second, okay, you can see the same thing. Y1, Y2, XZ, remember again. Okay, selector. This is X, okay. U, W again. It's Z. That's M2, U with W. Z. Oh, that's right. They're finished.